బీఆర్ఎస్ ఎమ్మెల్సీ కవిత మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
ప్రభుత్వం ఈ బీజేపీ ప్రభుత్వం వాళ్ళు కేవలం పోరాటాలకే తలొగ్గుతారు, రైతులకు క్షమాపణ చెప్తారన్న విషయం మనకు అర్థమైంది. కాబట్టి రేపటి మహాధర్నాలో మన సత్తా ఏంది, నిజామాబాద్ రైతన్నలు హక్కుల కోసం ఏ విధంగా పోరాటం చేస్తారన్నది రుజువు చేయాల్సినటువంటి అవసరం ఉందని చెప్పి ఈ సందర్భంగా రైతన్నలందరూ కూడా నేను విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తా ఉన్నాను. టుడే it is an established fact that Bharatiya Janata Party is an anti-farmer government. It is a anti-poor government. It is a pro-corporate government. It has been proven time and again. TRS as a party, BRS now as a party has always stood for the farmers. We've always recommended it in the parliament. We've time and again demanded it in the parliament that Mahatma Gandhi Narega scheme has to take agriculture into its schemes. Integration of agriculture with Mahatma Gandhi Narega is a demand of BRS party. Today in Telangana, whatever schemes were given under Mahatma Gandhi Narega, now the central government is asking us to take it back, which is really unfair. That is why we are going to hold a Mahadharna tomorrow across every district headquarter in Telangana. This is going to be a very serious protest from the Telangana farmers. We now demand the Bharatiya Janata Party government at the central to reconsider their demand that they have done, and Mahatma Gandhi Narega scheme has to be integrated with agriculture. Otherwise, we see a lot of protests happening among the farmers. Today there is a latest reply in Rajya Sabha on 20th December, 2 days back. Once again establishing that the Bharatiya Janata Party is a pro-corporate, including the scheduled commercial banks and the public sector banks, both of them put together. The government has written off aggregate amount of 8,16,421 crores and 11,17,883 crores. Both of them put together 19,40,000 crores of loans of corporates have been waived off in this country. That is almost equivalent to 1 year's budgets of our country. My sincere request to the people of this country, we should now realize that the people, the government, the party which claimed that they will be chowkidars in this country were sleeping while these corporates were looting this country and going away. We do not need sleeping chowkidars. We need zimmedar netas in this country to make sure that the wealth of this country stays in this country. If the BJP government is sincere, they should get all these luteras back into the country. You please do your chowkidari duty properly, targeting farmers, targeting poor people, putting taxation on milk and curd. This is not the way to lead the country. As BRS, our stand is we support the farmers. We demand that the Bharatiya Janata Party support the farmers and take back the Mahatma Gandhi Narega, whatever has been given to Telangana under the agriculture scheme, it should be retained as it is. And whatever demand that the Bharatiya Janata Party constantly makes, that we should put meters in our farmers' farms, is also not going to happen. So this anti-farmer demands by the Bharatiya Janata Party government should be taken back, and you should stand up with the farmers of this country. This is our demand. हम आज ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारे तेलंगाना में कल हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर में फार्मर्स का प्रोटेस्ट होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो नरेगा के साथ एग्रीकल्चर को मिलाने का हमारा डिमांड था, उस स्कीम में जितने भी तेलंगाना को पैसे मिले थे वो वापस देने की आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार बात कर रही है, और हम इस बात से सहमत नहीं है. हमारी मांग ये है कि महात्मा गांधी नरेगा स्कीम और एग्रीकल्चर दोनों को मिलाना चाहिए. खेती बाड़ी और महात्मा गांधी नरेगा स्कीम को जोड़ेंगे तो खेती का खर्चा कम होगा, फार्मर के लिए बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल होगा. तो ये हमारा डिमांड है. इसीलिए हम ये मांग करते हैं बीआरएस पार्टी से कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी अभी तो फार्मर्स के बारे में सोचे. जिस पार्टी ने ये दावा करके सत्ता में आया है कि हम इस देश के लिए चौकीदारी करेंगे, ये लोग सो रहे थे जब हमारे देश से पैसा लूट के बड़े बड़े बिजनेस वाले चले गए थे. कल 2 दिन पहले पार्लियामेंट में, राज्यसभा में इन्होंने आंसर ये दिया है कि 19 लाख करोड़ रुपए इन्होंने वो लुटेरों के लिए बैंकों का कर्जा माफ किया है। मैं आज मोदी जी से ये पूछती हूँ, ये सवाल उनसे करना चाहती हूँ, जो आप काला धन वापस लेके आने वाले थे वो तो आया नहीं है, लेकिन अपनी देश के खुद का पैसा 19 लाख से ज्यादा, 19 लाख करोड़ों से ज्यादा जो लुटेरे लेके गए, कम से कम उनको तो लेके आइए, क्योंकि बैंकों में आपने जो कर्जा माफ किया है ये किसका पैसा है? ये आम आदमी का पैसा है। जो टैक्स आपने दूध पे डाला है, जो टैक्स आपने सब्जी पे डाला है, जो टैक्स आपने पेट्रोल पे बढ़ाया है दाम, इन सब का पैसा आज बैंकों में है। वो बैंकों का पैसा जिन लुटेरों ने लूटा है, आपने उनका कर्जा माफ कर दिया। तो मैं ये आज मांग करती हूँ, आप रैयतों के साथ खड़े रहिए, गरीब लोगों के साथ खड़े रहिए, कॉरपोरेट के साथ, व्यापारवेत्ता के साथ खड़े रहने से देश का भला नहीं होने वाला है। बीआरएस पार्टी आज ये डिमांड करती है, महात्मा गांधी नरेगा और खेतीबाड़ी को जोड़ा जाए, इस देश के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच। जय तेलंगाना, जय भारत।